Hey crafty people, this video is about an abbreviation called ALT. ALT stands for alternate. You can alternate all sorts of things. So in this example, I'm alternating between the two colors, like pink and mustard yellow, all done in the same single crochet stitch, but alternating colors. In this example, I'm alternating between two distinct rows, some alternating rows with particular stitches. You can alternate stitches, you can alternate hook sizes or yarn weights to create interesting patterns and textures. A pattern will specify what it is exactly you're alternating and for how long, whether it is a number of rows or rounds, or if it's a particular length. So that is the abbreviation ALT, alternate.